Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY Health Secrets. Today, we're talking about the incredible benefits of all natural ingredients for aging skin. If you want to nourish your skin with the power of nature without harsh chemicals, this video is for you. I'll be breaking down the top natural ingredients that fight wrinkles, boost collagen, and give you a radiant glow. Let's dive in. Commercial skincare often contains synthetic preservatives, fragrances, and fillers that can irritate mature skin. Natural ingredients, on the other hand, are packed with bioactive compounds that work in harmony with your skin's biology. Here's why natural skincare is a game changer for aging skin. No harsh chemicals, less risk of irritation and inflammation, rich in antioxidants, protects against free radical damage, supports skin barrier, helps retain moisture and prevent transepidermal water loss. Number 1. Rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is a wrinkle-fighting powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamin A retinoids, stimulates collagen production, omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, repairs skin barrier, vitamin C, brightens dark spots and evens skin tone. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's anti-aging gold. Benefits include hydration, 99% water content, plump skin, anti-inflammatory, reduces redness and irritation, collagen boost, promotes skin elasticity. Number 3. Honey. Honey is nature's antibacterial humectant. It helps with deep moisture, draws water into the skin. Deep moisture draws water into the skin. Anti-aging, packed with antioxidants that fight wrinkles. Number 4. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics skin's natural sebum, making it perfect for aging skin because balances oil production, great for both dry and oily skin. Non-comedogenic, won't clog pores. Rich in vitamin E, protects against oxidative stress. Number 5. Vitamin C natural sources. Vitamin C is a collagen-boosting superstar. Natural sources like citrus, camu, and amla provide brighter skin, fades hyperpigmentation. UV protection works alongside sunscreen. Firmer texture, stimulates collagen synthesis. Number 6. Shea butter. Shea butter is ultra-nourishing for mature skin because it contains fatty acids, deeply moisturizes, anti-inflammatory compounds, soothes eczema and psoriasis. Vitamin A and E promote cell regeneration. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea is packed with polyphenol, which fight free radicals, prevents premature aging, reduce redness, calms rosacea and irritation, tighten pores, acts as a natural astringent. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a natural brightening agent because it reduces hyperpigmentation, evens out skin tone, anti-inflammatory, helps with acne and rosacea, antibacterial, fights breakouts. Now, let's talk about how to use these ingredients in your routine. DIY face mask. Mix honey plus turmeric plus yogurt for glowing skin. Serum. Rosehip oil plus vitamin E for nighttime repair. Toner. Brew green tea, cool, and spritz on face. Remember, patch test first and introduce one ingredient at a time. And that's why natural ingredients are the best for aging skin. They're effective, gentle, and packed with nutrients. Which natural ingredient are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural skincare tips. See you in the next video. Stay glowing.